Etienra no ekobo mu e Ghana Parliament. Afenyo Markin Sammy Awuku criticize the NDC government. I want someone the Interior Minister ebe kafa Accra flood ne ho no. As we koye comparison bi the Ghana Accra to USA. E kan say America kura no flooding cost wo ho. E no kro mko mi enyini se Ghana no. E ho kura flooding e cost na campus Ghana. What? E man say on kind of busia Afenyo Markin no man twa ma no. Ghana Parliament no more. Na ye butu. Be man chire mu no akire wadwene e de amame. Comment section. I PENYAH block media. Let's say any demo. Over like a video, no that my subscribe button, some back the key verification and conflict. I'll be somebody to the wide mame comment section. Obasoa. Not your first any version. Make can phone nala money send up any amount. Oh USA, oh UK, over send educofia. Another for say. Oh yeah, me fan. Let the bear having. Almost much is kwa. It is in promo code in PENYAH TV. Ever said is ecofi. Now ombe chow a cool $20. Oh munkwana use kana kodu fear jo. The amount as mu. No mu ya omasa chow $20. For free. Let's go to the story. I was saying himself recently there's been a heavy downpour in Accra and in the environment. Ama nyamianu nukreni. Ugo pima Accra dia areho. Accra a flooded to the point say Airport Hills craft flooded means so to Sakas. If I'm for fee, the whole Airport Hills. Hey, Charlie.
It carry the cars away. Oh. Hey.
I do, but I got no people, so we don't go and man can't fool. What's my friend for you? I'm back for you. Don't die with the money. It's kind of fire, we still have to find a back. I'm a damn, who will give up a scene.
I'm a Kotoka road leading to Kotoka International Airport. Prano, a flooded.
Hey, today I go airport area. Pa, what I saw was an eyesore. Hey, capital city. Pa, as a swimming pool. No. Ghana pa. So you land from plane inside. No, you dey go enter flood inside. Oh, this be bad, man. This be very, very bad. We for do something about this.
Hey, Jubilee House road leading to Jubilee House. Where I flooded. Just say
better life. I switch for comfort. Look, the salary deserves better.
Switch?
Yeah. How do you mean? I switch from the salary account to Fidelity Bank. And that's my jackpot. I get paid amount with no interest rate.
baby and so na flood ya kono. Inso any money dwe. Inso nani e money dwe. Ama we abay asamse ama he says the president at the helicopter etu fa wiemu e ko hwe the damage flood we no caused to this country so that or any experts and engineers able who the roadmap to solving this problem at hand. Emma ho kwa en ho sem abay the ja say adentin na was a president e tra helicopter mu e de na mu wiem anse na ho the problem of flood we across Ghana. Ada say Emma no kan media na amount for e can be e de kire no. Na enra any conversation eco PM Ghana Parliament. Mama found quite a Accra. 2024 there was a flood in May 2024. Flood happened. There was a death of what? A schoolboy. School need be away. And no, Mahama keep post on Facebook blaming the Kufuor government a almost failure. And I'm flooding. Omuntimi handle. Omuntimi put any measure in place to solve the issue of flooding. And because of almost failure, Akrano, you lose your school need boy woo because of a Kufuor neighbor mia almost failure. Eba Mahama Klasa ka say on oba hey sanitation ministry no ohun va so bi e was so to be guno Emma as I speak to you now no wogu no I say go zoom lion, you know. But you know, MPP time, now there wasn't any serious flooding. And one that May, no 2024 May now flood if it happened yet. It was just 2024 May now to be a serious Accra paving so far now. And no NDC government played so many politics. Sammy Jamfi, I can say baby or home.
What say young as you assist? Now the whole family, name of family. Hey, Juma. Pay for you to attack me. Oh my God, let's get in there for. Yeah, in this Emiliani, I can't be out boom. Yes, or my not really say, we have a geological department, we have a geological department. And fact, department, dear home. I buy ministries like Western Housing, like the various municipal assemblies that was of my contract for the silting of drains or 1 year. They have failed us. The president has failed us. That is it. Now you can be about what the politics there. And my own to obey. You funny about so. No when your mind also or you be in my because or my penny be in and now can't open the chair so your politics. It's my own money. Say Ghana you USA and Minister for Western Housing kwa resign. Kayama ni Sicilia da pa or kasa say when you see Ghana or the baby here juma problem yes according to juma to kaka be yo munya juma to. But area you see enka so minor feel you minor feel listen. So that is my answer to that aspect of the question. No mind ya na feel. Government officials put in place some solve that problem no. Almost say bob so much to solve the problem about because if they have done it and a problem now back oh yeah because what the problem is. But January, February, March, or man see or do moment to call him. And obi biara what kind that I was saying kind flooding situation as no. Only the one see or don't want to call him where the flooding because you should and what they could go and sana could go for the it's one simua, it's only activity flooded. That is the point. And they have not done it. So they must take the blame. They must resign. Or they must be sanctioned. I didn't say what they when they have failed. Now mobile so man penny so no problem and people are dying. Most of my moment.
Eka say Akufo failed and as you can say a judgment Akufo ni bomia they are passing through judgment nyame akatua na aba wo mo so etina wo anyway ebobo Ghana no.
There is no hope. I have said it somewhere and I will repeat it here. President Akufo-Addo and Bawumia, they are under judgment. The cause on this will be a only I just will be a only spiritual discernment. We are looking for a miracle. Yen suffer because in penny bonny bedi or manswa or mine bre. And yes, I net you. I won't kind Bible. Old Testament no. E mere bia o hene bonny na wo David akodi ni bonny. Onya made the ones who train my Israel for. David my or yes census. My can Israel for. Bronsam ne man ye you so na David ni. One nya made aso train ko so. Okum Israel for not the same one. That is it.
In Swahili, my crab could pay you. Some of you can say a judgment and in a medium Akufo any bomia. Lo and behold, and we are flooding echo so Accra and seen a diabetes Ghana had no mother.
That's a bridge now on Mako.
Into the Becca say, why you no sooner. Yamini to Mahama car, and I Becca say, there. Oh, I don't know big car. Mostly we shouldn't politicize anything. Now, we refi motifi and no demo, the moye, the moge kanye. And the moon or motifi, moge kanye. And the moon and then quasi a semi motifi, moge kanye, and refi. BBC na can na dia mo now we shouldn't politicize anything. We shouldn't play politics with any more than we nipa mo nko na mo ni mo nyansa. Mo betimi be a politics but obi ntimi fanya politics. Na sana ye chiri o man. Ema buja won sem no. Abe buburuja na you know ya go sanitation ministry. Zoom la ya go no. Omo ha ku fada memo no mo bo abo akaka kwa de na gata no. Omo titimu bi kumase ne mo prapra kumase kejeta ne month ne so. Na omo yifin kakra firi ho no mo. Ba ade we no eni ho biem ya go no. Eti ball out how I don't say team hold more. I'm even to speak to you now. There was a video where now tricycle omu carry baller no. Omu a form convoy. Omu nya baby into baller egu.
It's not me say, oh, baby, I want to who from one. I'm saying, where a baller convoy? Hey, just that. Hey, I feel up, baller convoy, oh, eh? Baller convoy. Hey, God, yeah. Hey, baller convoy, yeah. I hear the baller convoy. Hey, the baller convoy, oh. Baller one, oh, poor. I'm one of the father. I had a baller. The baller convoy. The baller convoy. New video. Who want the about Anna? Almost your plan. Look, the workers, you know. See the workers. Oh, what? You will be down. I am here. What up? I am here. The company go to your man. I don't know. You will be down. You will be down.
Weja bebe no mutu ball na ehwa ye ma omunya baby crown to ball because zoom la you ni wonti no ye ni baby e beto ball akura egu ama be bibuja enso we to ye ayira fa Ghana ha nyina ana enro de nkomo no ekopie mu Ghana parliament na ho no ana the interior minister also original announce and no tire mu the aftermath of this flood you know casualties any just say bonia flood na caused to this country Ghana no or tire e wo ho no.
Mr. Speaker, the number of persons that were displaced in the various municipalities are Ghana East. We had 2,000 persons being displaced, and that's 400 households. We had 6 missing individuals and 5 deaths from Ghana East alone. Lojokuku, we had 1,200 displaced with 240 households, 1 missing and 3, Lojokuku, there was no missing person, but we had 1 death. Ayawaso Central, 3,021 persons were displaced, and that's 605 households. We had 1 person missing, and then 3 deaths. The Speaker, Ghana Central, 1,811 individuals were displaced, 363 households. We didn't have any missing or dead person. Ghana West, equally, we didn't lose anybody and nobody got missing. But the number of persons that were displaced were 2,300 and then 460 households. Ablekuma North, 651 displaced, 131 households. No missing or dead person. Ablekuma Nungo Pram Pram, 1,377 displaced, 276 households. Wejabawe, 2,500 households, 2,500 individuals, 500 households. Ghana South, 2,100 displaced, 420 households. Adenta, 1,850, 370 households. Kolekote, 6,500 displaced, amounting to 1,300 households. Okankwe South, 701 displaced, 141 households. Okankwe North, 2,620, and then 524 households. Tema West, we had 690 household displaced with 3,450 individuals displaced. Tema Metropolitan Assembly, we have 721 household displaced, which affected 3,601 individuals. In the case of Tema West, we had 3 persons that lost their life. La Dade Kotopong, we had 404 households displaced, amounted to 2,020 individuals. And lastly, Mr. Speaker, Krowo, we had 220 households displaced and 1,100 individuals displaced without any death. Mr. Speaker, when you put all these numbers together, we have a total of 7,761 households that were displaced, with 38,802 individuals affected, with 7 persons still missing as at this morning, because, Mr. Speaker, I've been at the Finance Committee in the past 3 hours. I've not been able to read my briefs this afternoon. I don't know whether many more have been found, but 7 people as at this morning were displaced, and the total death are 12 individuals that we lost. Mr. Speaker, let me take this opportunity to send our condolences and that of government and the people of Ghana to the families that lost their family members, and we assure them we are with them in this difficult moment. We know many people could not be in their homes and even sleep in their homes, but government is doing whatever it can.
But I think I to us what we say. When you are there, ABC we are see baby ada. ABC in America crowd, ABC in fact to be precise, New York. Everyone saying so you for New York man, a quite now blocking man. Just say in so crowd as the salmon forecast. Ediako. Or there no site example Ghana say America crowd now mono in fact more economy near good stable economy be a fine or more good drainage system be okay or America crowd now. Flooding to me happen. How much more Ghana? And we can same way.
Disasters will always come. It is how prepared you are that will determine the minimum, the amount of loss that may be occurred. Because, Mr. Speaker, today, and I'm saying it not to water down the effect, but just to draw all of us attention that America is the richest country in the world, and one of its richest states is California. California state is the richest state in America. In fact, standing on its own, is the 6th largest economy in the world. Yet they had disaster and people lost their life. But they have all the money, they have all the measures. We are not using this as an excuse. Water will always come, but we must do what we can as people. And we are looking at this as a whole of government and a whole of society approach. We are looking at it as a whole of government and a whole of society approach, where individuals will have to take their responsibility, assemblies have to take their responsibility, those of us in government will have to take our responsibility and work very hard to ensure that we do not lose life unnecessarily.
Now, come on, we didn't Parliament Honorable, I know, and then Afenyo Markin Sammy Awuku, Oman Chiama Minister.
My issue was basically that the minister at the dispatch box submitted that upon receiving warning from Accra Metro that in June there will be torrential rainfall, certain actions were taken. Mr. Speaker, the minister did not spell out those specifics. It is the reason why I argued that he had veered off into the area of politics. And Mr. Speaker, this is a house of records. We are aware of a presidential committee headed by the Deputy Chief of Staff. They were asked to do a particular job regarding the flood. There is no report. So if the minister mounts the dispatch box and tells the nation that certain actions were taken, at the time he himself was telling the country that people should stay at home, their homes were already flooded. So which way were they supposed to stay? If you say you put in place certain measures, your duty is supposed to tell us what exactly you did, but you cannot make it a passing comment saying that people should take responsibility. Individuals were not responsible. That is why I want this to be out of the records, because, Mr. Speaker, it's a serious statement indicting people already suffering, who are going through crisis, who have lost their property, who have lost lives. Then all we hear from the minister is that people are not being responsible. Mr. Speaker, that is the point I want to make and want the clarity on. Is the reason why I said the minister should have come with a formal statement. Right, he's telling me that he has sent me a copy. Where you have sent it to my chief whip. But if you knew you had a formal statement, why didn't you wait to get the statement properly read? Now you're saying that your statement is ready. Yet you spoke extempore and raised certain issues, and I've taken down note. That is why I want Mr. Speaker to take note. But Mr. Speaker, outside we have a formal statement. We sent it to you for approval, which has been approved. We will go strictly by that. But let the records reflect that the minister at the dispatch box is now doing blame game. He's also saying that the government took steps. Which steps we don't know. Which steps we don't know.
Yes, Minority Leader, with all this respect, let's get things right. If the minister says certain actions were taken, but he failed to mention those actions, which of the rules does that violate? For which reason I will ask the minister to withdraw.
Speaker, with respect, thank you very much for that important question. Mr. Speaker, this is a house of records. The old maxim, et nihilus, et nihilus. You can't place something on nothing. Mr. Speaker, the minister must anchor every submission before this house on facts. If you say you did something, you took a ministerial action, and that ministerial action, nobody knows about it, it becomes empty. It sits on stilts to make such submission. And that is the contention here. So, Mr. Speaker, we cannot allow a minister to make a statement whose statement is not supported by any fact. We don't know anything. Mr. Speaker, let us read the rules. 91(2), Mr. Speaker. A minister of state may make a statement of government policy, and the statement shall be limited to facts which are necessary to be made known to the House. Mr. Speaker, my argument, the prayer before you, is that the facts upon which he makes his submission are unknown. He didn't state those facts. If indeed the government are taking certain actions, what are those actions? Did you brief the House? Did you tell the public that there will be torrential rainfall in June? You've been warned by Accra Metro. Therefore, take the following steps. Did you do the dredging? What happened to the report of the Deputy Chief of Staff who was put in charge of this? So you cannot just make a sweeping statement and expect that this house will be quiet. What were the facts upon which you mounted your the government policy on? If you say there was a policy, which policy you followed religiously? Why are we in crisis? And then now you are blaming the citizens who are suffering, the people who are crying, who are wailing. You are now here in Parliament blaming them. What have they done? You have been given a state authority. You have the power of the state to enforce laws. You have the power of the state to enforce laws. Don't do in blame game. We don't want lamentations, Honorable Minister, with respect. We don't need lamentations. People are suffering. You were in opposition. You cried louder. You cried aloud. You wanted people to take action. Now it's your turn. Take action. Take action. No blame game, Minister. No blame game.
Minority Leader, I think you had your turn. Yes. It's now the turn of Sammy Awuku.
Mr. Speaker, let me begin by also commending the makers of the various statements, particularly that of the Honorable Asensi Boache, who has institutional memory about some of the issues that was particularly discussed during his tenure. And my wonderful friend and chairman, Oti Bless. Mr. Speaker, let's be clear on one thing, that under the previous Mahama government, of which my good friend and brother Felix Kwachiofosu was part, on a single night in June 2015, we lost over 150 lives. Single night. Then the Ghanaian people asked them to retire in 2016. They spent 8 years studying what the Akufo-Addo government was initiating and implementing gradually. Mr. Speaker, again, they inherited a country where, in fact, President Mahama is one of the luckiest presidents in the world. Your predecessor left a roadmap, completely had gone through a comprehensive review of Accra flooding situation. The Honorable Asenso Boachi, in his statement, clearly enumerated the number of projects initiated under the Akufo-Addo administration. Today, the NDC that took pride, solace, and comfort in politicizing every flood situation in Ghana from 2017 to 2024 is today playing the role of John Paul II, our Pope, late, and behaving as if Ghana only started in 2017. Mr. Speaker, behind the statistics we see on TV are human lives being lost. People have lost their livelihoods. Mr. Speaker, somebody might have gone for a 2,000 CD loan. Today, that money is gone. I have seen a wonderful video of my good friend Felix Kwachiofosu during the floods with his staff when they were cheering you on in your jersey, Ghana jersey. People were dying around that time, my brother. Again, Mr. Speaker, when the rain started, I can pardon Felix. I can pardon Felix when he's coming from a background of not knowing how this whole rain started. Mr. Speaker, he was in the US maybe when the rain started. But people have lost their livelihoods. Press conferences won't desilt our gutters. Press conferences won't solve the problems of our poor drainage system. In fact, as Asensu stated, the Honorable Asensu Boachi stated, where the NDC used to have their headquarters, before God being so good, they were able to move to a plush area around Adabraka. The Nima Paloma Odona drains. It was under the NPP that we clearly initiated and fixed that issue. We started that of the Buzia N1 highway, the drainage system. South Kaneshi started under the NPP. We, in fact, under the Garrett project, we had secured funding and started the project. From January 2025 up to date, all we've been hearing, press conferences, committees. And today I'm surprised to see the Minister for Interior here. Because in the government's anti-flood task force, the Minister for Interior is not even part. So who is even managing the flood situation in our country? You put a deputy chief of staff with no compelling controlling role and mandate to coordinate two ministers, that of local government and that of works and housing, a deputy chief of staff. The Minister for Interior, in the midst of the crisis, appeared before Parliament and speaking on behalf of a task force that is not even part. Mr. Speaker, I clearly believe that this is the time that we need leadership. Leadership is not a team sport. When you are elected to lead, you lead. This is not the time for settings, PR, bloggers, patrolling left, right, and center because government wants to score political points. We need answers. And we don't need a government that will pretend to be solving a problem, but then just using chopper to mock our misery. And lastly, we don't elect leaders to tell us our problems. We elect leaders to fix our problems. If President Mahama is tired, he can leave the position for somebody who is also ready to lead us to that promised land. Thank you very much.
Comment section. I PENYAH Media, Accra.